Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. Today we're doing a little small repair, something you guys can easily do yourselves. We're actually adding a small catch basin to an existing line. Let's take a look.
The mini jetter is a great tool for removing sand and debris from a pipe. And you can see it's very powerful. Hooked up to the pressure washer. It'll actually pull itself down through the line. As it comes across the stoppage, the front nozzle, the front jet, cuts through that sand and debris, and the back jets push it back to where we can remove that from where we're entering the pipe, which in this case is a catch basin. But watch what happens as we come up to the stoppage and we go through it, and then you'll see the catch basin at the end of the line. And that jetter is just going to push that water right up out of there. Take a look. Can you see that? That's a powerful little tool. So now we're just going to pull it back, all the way back, pull it back slowly at first and then faster as we get closer here to the end. We want to make sure that we get all that sand and debris out of that line. We're also going to add another catch basin to an existing part of this line, to an existing French drain. And I want to show you how to do that. That is so easy to do. Take a look
really
at this.
Straightforward, basic. Basically, we're adding a small 6x6 catch basin. We're using PVC. We're tying into the existing line. You can see the styrofoam peanuts. So this was an easy flow line. Put a T on it. We also wrapped that whole area with fabric so no dirt can get in. And that's really about it. So we're going to go ahead and put the cap back on here, backfill. Again, such an easy project. If you've got a little low spot, she's got a low spot right here in the yard. Kind of hard to see it because I've been digging, but water stands right there. And it does travel over to the French drain, but it takes a little while to get through that soil. She'd like to just collect that water right away. So really a great project. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.